It all starts with a beat. Before we learn words, we feel rhythm. We tap on tables. We hum to ourselves. Music is not something we're taught. It's something we're born with. Some of us grow into it. Many of us grow out of it. At some point, we are told we're not musical, that music is for the talented. So we stop playing. But it never really leaves. Music happens when you feel safe enough to play, not to get it right, just to play. We are musical beings. We craft instruments we wish we had as children, and those we want for our children. Instruments that feel natural, playful, empowering. For beginners, discovering sound without fear. For professionals, reconnecting with play. For parents and children, sharing a moment together. How an instrument is made shapes how it's played. Technology has incredible power, but too often it pulls you away from the moment. We want to bring you back, to humanize technology, to let you disappear into the experience. We imagine a world where everyone can feel musical, play, create, participate. We are all musical beings. And this is Tembo.